This is a quick comparison of the Master Airscrew Stealth props. I'm using it actually on the Mavic Air 2, not the 2S, and this is mostly looking at the sound. Okay, this is a pretty non-scientific comparison. You notice a difference in the shape just a tiny bit, and a little bit difference in length of the two. This is the construction or the configuration I used. With the camera on a tripod and the spot for the drone. And here are the Master Airscrew props that come in this nice little bag. They're marked A and B, and the shiny black ones is the one that I got. So I can't speak to anything about their performance other than how they sound. And there is a definite difference in the sound and the tone quality. It's much lower, deeper, a little bit quieter. For my money, I think it's a good deal. I like them.